Why is a home appraisal so important in real estate? Imagine you're about to buy a house and you're excited to move in. But before you get the keys, there's a step that might seem small but is actually very important. That step is the appraisal process. It's like a checkup for the house's value, done by a professional appraiser. This step is essential because it helps everyone involved in the deal understand what the property is really worth in today's market. When you're finding the right property, knowing its true value helps you avoid overpaying. The appraiser looks at many details like the size of the home, its condition, and how much similar homes nearby have sold for recently. This helps set a fair market value. If the appraisal comes in lower than your offer, it can be a sign to negotiate a better price or reconsider your purchase. If it's higher, you might feel more confident that you're making a good investment. For home buyers, the appraisal is also a safeguard for the lender. When you get a mortgage, the bank wants to make sure the house is worth enough to cover the loan. If the appraisal shows the house is worth less than the loan amount, the bank might ask for a larger down payment or refuse the loan altogether. This protects the lender from lending more money than the property is worth. Investors also relying on appraisals to make smart decisions. They use the appraisal to see if a property fits their budget and investment goals. Regular appraisals help investors track how much their properties are worth over time. This helps decide when to sell, hold, or buy more properties. Appraisals also promote fairness in the market. When everyone agrees on what a property is worth, it keeps prices stable and prevents unfair deals. Plus, appraisals are useful for tax purposes. They help determine property taxes and can be used in estate planning to make sure assets are valued correctly. So, in simple terms, a home appraisal is like a trusted report card for a house's value. It protects buyers, lenders, and investors by making sure everyone has accurate information. It supports good decision-making, helps secure financing, and keeps the real estate market fair. Without it, people risk paying too much or making bad investments. That's why the appraisal process is a key part of buying a home and finding the right property.